Alright, so I'm not here to waste your time. I'm finna get right into it, bruh. So you gonna need documents and Bandlab, and of course you finna need Soundcloud. But I don't know if this works for Android. You can try it. I'm not sure, but I know for a fact it works for iOS. First step, go ahead and open up Bandlab right quick. Make sure you enter your library. You should see a list of your recent projects. Tap on the project that you would like to upload. After that, click on the current version. After you click on current version, click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you should see edit, mastering, and all sorts of stuff. Ignore all that shit. What we want to click is download. Alright, now hit download as audio. Once you've done that, scroll down to copy to documents. Click that and you should be sent to the documents app. Now as you can see, your file is ready to go. Rename it to something you will remember, such as the song title or name. Once you've done that, then hit the three dots located under the file and hit move. Move it to documents in iCloud. Now head over to SoundCloud, click the arrow or upload button at the top right of your screen. Now search the name of your file. It should pop up. Click on your file. Now you can rename the file to your song title and edit the song in SoundCloud. Hit save when you're satisfied and your song should begin to upload. Hopefully this helped y'all.